Indoor plants offer a multitude of benefits that contribute to both physical and mental well-being. Plants are natural air purifier, making the indoor environment healthier, and the presence of indoor plant can reduce stress and anxiety. Having plant in workspace can enhance concentration, memory retention, and creativity. Plant releases moisture into the air through the process of transpiration. This can be particularly beneficial in the dry environment, helping to prevent dry skin, sore throat, and respiratory problem. Beyond their health benefits, indoor plants add aesthetic value to living and working space. The presence of greenery can create a soothing atmosphere and overall mood. Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. In this video, we will introduce 10 low maintenance flowering plants that are perfect for busy individuals or those who prefer minimal gardening effect, even the beginners. These beautiful plants will add a touch of vibrancy to any space while requiring little care, ensuring that you can enjoy their blooms without the hassle. So let's start the video. Anthurium, the heart-shaped leaves and a pretty red, pink or white bloom of this plant make it a must-have. The flowers, which are actually modified leaves, show off for a couple of months. This sturdy plant is almost always in bloom. Geranium. Several types of geranium make great indoor flowering houseplant. The common garden geranium and AB geranium also offer showy flower but are easier to grow plant. It needs bright to intense light and keep soil moderately dry. Desert rose. Desert rose is a striking succulent with large trumpet-shaped bloom. It needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. So if you don't have the right natural lighting, consider a grow light because it's a succulent. Water it sparingly only when the top few inches of soil feels dry. Next is bromeliads. Bromeliads are fun or funky plant related to pineapples. The striking flower or bract bloom for a very long period. It needs lot of bright indirect light and water every 1 to 2 weeks. Just let it dry out between watering. Cyclamen. Cyclamen need bright indirect light and prefer to stay slightly moist. Like shamrocks, they go dormant. Put your in a cool place, don't water it for 2 months. The heart-shaped leaves and butterfly-like flower of this charming plant add plenty of color to winter days. African violet. These old-fashioned bloom year-round if you put them in a bright indirect light. Keep the soil lightly moist. A self-watering pot is a great idea for these pretty blooms. Next is crown of thorns. Euphorbia is a striking tropical succulent shrub. It has pink, white, yellow or orange flower. Give it direct sunlight for a few hours a day to encourage blooming. Because it's a succulent, which means it retains water. Give it a drink only when the top inch or 2 of soil feels dry. Zinnias are an excellent choice for beginners and available in a range of colors such as pink, red, yellow, orange, white and purple. Zinnias add vibrant color to indoor space and attract pollinators like butterflies and hummingbird. They thrive in bright indirect light and low light condition. Next is peace lily. Shiny green leaves and a spoon-shaped white flowers make this low-maintenance houseplant a classic. With the right condition, these plants can last for many years with particularly no care. Peace lily tolerate low to moderate light but tend to bloom better in bright filtered light and keep the soil lightly moist. Next is amaryllis. Amaryllis has become a widely popular indoor flowering plant. Amaryllis is a sun lover. It requires at least 6 hours of sunlight to produce big flower. Water it regularly and it is very easy to grow from the bulb. Next is Clivia. This elegant flower, a relative of amaryllis, has long-lasting orange or yellow flower and glossy leaves. It tolerates most light conditions and likes to dry out between watering. Rex begonias are easy care plants that get small pink or white flowers several times a year. However, the rest of the year you will enjoy the stunning markings on their colorful foliage. Give them bright indirect light and water when the top of the soil feels dry. They prefer to stay a little moist. Next is Calonche. This succulent has glossy green leaves and bright red, yellow, pink or orange flower clusters that last for weeks. It does best in the bright indirect light and prefer to dry out between watering. Next plant in my list is holiday cactus, also known as Thanksgiving cactus. Come in an array of shades from pure white to coral, pink and red. Different species bloom at different times of the year. They like bright indirect light, water when the soil feels mostly dry. Next is purple oxalis. Shamrock plant, bloom profusely with pretty little star-shaped flower. The plant's foliage may be green or burgundy. Give it bright indirect light and keep it slightly moist. Hoya. There are many different kinds of Hoya, but they all develop lovely star-shaped flower in clusters. This one has gorgeous white variegation with pink essence, so it's a colorful even when not in bloom. Give it bright indirect light and water it only when the top few inches of soil are dry. Delicate looking moth orchids are not as fragile as they appear. They will bloom for months and can live for years with little care. They prefer bright indirect light, water once a week until it drains out of the bottom of the pot. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks once again. Have a nice day.